Before I start, please join me tonight during the Asia session from 8 to 10. I'll be hosting the My Fund of Futures Asia session. So come join me either on SK Trading YouTube or the My Fund of Futures YouTube. And we do 10 giveaways. That's right, 10 giveaways for prop accounts. So we do raffle, whether it's the spinning of the wheel or me picking out certain numbers. It's a really great time. So be there. We look at the index futures like the NASDAQ, S&P, gold. Oil's going to be active tonight because it looks like oil's up about $2 after the market closed here. But again, it's a great time, so be there. Also, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, I stream every day, Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4 on Discord. Please contact me through my cell phone, 914-500-7484, and I will send you, if you send me your full name and email, I will send you a 5-day free trial, and it goes we send it out every Monday. All right, today the topic is how to trade bigger time frames. I have a list of so many things here to trade. The openings on the shorts with the negative MACDs on AMD, Micron, all the big names and everything. But overall, the most important thing is how to trade off the bigger time frame. So we got the big sell reversals today on the push down on the Qs and the spike on the 60-minute time frame. The S&Ps, the spiders reversed to sell at 10:30 on the 30-minute time frame. So what I'm trying to teach you here, if you look here, you can see the 15s here and the 30-minute time frames all reversing here. And if you look at the Qs here, you can see they all reversed here. They reversed here on the 30-minute time frame on the push down, boom, here at 10 o'clock. The 60s reversed to sell right here. Okay, at around 10:30. So the strategy was, okay, after we got this big push up, we got this monster move up, and then what happened was after that was, we got this monster move down, and then we got this monster move up between 12:30 and probably around 2:30, and I said between 1:30 and 3 o'clock, look out below. The 30-minute time frames are going to get cabooshed. We're going to caboosh the market. You had bear flag of a lifetime here. Number one, you had the overbought condition on the oscillator into a negative MACD on the 30 and the 60-minute time frame. That's number one. Number two, you're making a high here into a negative MACD. The Qs, 713.87. Look at this. Down $7. The NASDAQ futures were trading 29,580, and they got kabooshed all the way down almost 300 points. And people were like, SK, when is it going to drop? When is it going to drop? When's it going to drop? I said, you got to be patient. When these 30-minute time frames drop, look out below. And I'm telling you, boy, oh boy, was it look out below. I'm telling you, those 30-minute time frames, and that's a set strategy, okay? When those 30, if you look at Russell, the whole world was a short. The Russell, kabooshed right here, right? Micron, look at Micron, kabooshed. Look at here, Micron, from 39 all the way down to 07, 32 points. We looked at SanDisk. Forget it. Look at SanDisk. Look at his short on SanDisk here, okay? SanDisk traded all the way down to 1485, rallied about 130 points. Look at this move here, 1619, 16, and then kaboosh down about 60, 70 points. It was an absolute monster pattern. Now I want to show you one more pattern here. If you look at the 15-minute time, I'll put the 30s here. I want to show you the 15-minute time frames, okay? Now, the 15-minute time frames on the QQQs reverse to sell right here, okay? So it means now that you're in a negative trend. The 15, the 30s, and the 60s are now all in a negative trend. And then what do you look to do? Well, we took the short here on the 5-minute right here. This is the first bounce on the 5-minute. NASDAQ futures, you can see here, 708.08, dropped about $1.60. Then we got a buy program at the end of the day. Now, when we pushed up at the end of the day, I said I'd short the NASDAQ between the 29,400 to 29,440. It got up there, and then it got absolutely kabooshed. Again, we got word that we bombed and hit Iranian targets, and oil went through the roof, and the NASDAQ and S&Ps got kabooshed. So again, when you get the big sell reversals like we did today, we got the big sell reversals today in Tesla. Looking at Tesla here, you can see the 60s here, the 30s. Look at this beautiful bear flag, this push up here. The 60s reversing to sell, and once you get these 60s reversing to sell like this, it's a game changer. AMD, same thing. AMD reversing to sell on the 30-minute right here. And also, look at this beautiful bear flag. 524, we called a short. It drops 16 right there. Also, I want to show you another great pattern after the opening today. I wanted to show this to you. If you look here, you see when you gap down and you have these negative MACDs, the big selling pressure, the rising ADX, when they open here, you can see AMD open at 515.90, pushed up to 22 and change. Where are they going into that negative MACD? You can see the drop there of about 13. This is an absolute Picasso short. If you look at Micron, the same type of pattern. All these stocks had the identical same pattern. They gapped down. The ADX was rising. Big selling pressure. It pushed up here. Look at this, 35, and got kabooshed here about $26. So again, monster patterns all day. I just wanted to show you, and really, to be honest with you, if you can learn how to trade off the bigger time frames, the daily, the 30 and 60-minute time frames, it's a game changer, especially if you're swing trading. Okay, all right, or you're pattern trading and you're looking for patterns versus scalp trading. Sorry. Okay, all right. When I get back, I'll tell you what I expect for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, right now, we have the NASDAQ down about 45. The low today was 29,209. We're about 135 points above that right now. I'm still thinking if we get a push down tomorrow, I want to see the 30s and the 60s deeply oversold. The 60s look like they're still trying to roll over here. So which means I'm kind of like, I'm not really a buyer here. I think this thing with the Iran could lead into something, and I just truly believe that what we're going to look for here is to have some type of a catalyst for down. And if we do get some deep oversold conditions on the 30 and 60-minute time frames, well, then I would be looking at for severe oversold conditions for any longs. Okay, all right. Also, when I get back, I want to talk to you about one of the most important words: consistency. So consistency comes, like I said, in many different forms. I went over this a couple weeks ago, and I'm starting to see how it's really registering with people in regard to having multiple accounts, going for singles and doubles, and to be able to align yourself in a positive way that gives you the ability just to be able to be a consistent trader. Consistency, setting goals for yourself, being green every single day, and then seeing a phenomenal track record develop and just start going like this, right? Focus, being consistent, money management, not revenge trading, no over trading is all part of being consistent. When you're consistent, okay, not every day is a winning day. I spoke to someone today. He said, I had a rough day today. I didn't blow up any accounts. I lost a little bit, $200. I said, okay, not every day is going to be green, but you want more green days than red days. So let's get back on the horse and let's go ahead from now until Friday, right? We got Wednesday. We got the Asia session tonight. We got the Wednesday. We got Thursday. We got Friday. Let's see if you can make 3 days in a row green. So having the right mentality and having the ability to have the mindset that all you want to do is be consistent is a game changer. And being consistent, like I said, starts with your inner belief in yourself, the confidence, and having the ability to have the technology in front of you, a mentor that will guide you, and give you the ability to be a great trader. So consistency, Please, keyword, my number one word. Okay. Thank you for joining me tonight on The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please hit the subscribe button. Please leave a comment. If you like to follow me on social media, please follow me on official Stephen Kalayjian on Instagram, X, TikTok, and LinkedIn. If you like to reach out to me for a 5-day free trial or to just text me or talk to me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. Again, I'll be hosting the Asia session tonight from 8 to 10 for My Funded Futures. You can go to My Funded Futures YouTube or SK Trading YouTube. Also, I'll be tomorrow streaming from 8:30 to 4. If you'd like to go to my website and join, you can go to sktrading.live. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you, and God bless our troops, and God bless the United States of America. Good night.